Don't worry, son, it's just a little char.
Whoa, don't be that guy. Are you ready to learn how to cook the most amazing barbecue ever? I'm talking about herb roasted chicken with homemade white sauce. You see that? Look at those beautiful sweet heat cedar plank salmon bites.
Sheen.
Sheen, baby.
Sheen, look at that sheen, baby.
We'll show you how to master the cooking of infused port wine brine ham.
See the moisture in here, folks?
That is absolutely beautiful.
No need to squeeze it. It's plenty moist.
Authentic Taco El Pastor. Melt in your mouth Texas-style prime rib.
This is butter. This is melting in my mouth. It's tender.
West Coast Tri-Tips Caprese and mouth-watering pepper jelly glazed brine smoked turkey.
Juice is pouring out of it.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike Steele. Welcome to Barbecue Champs Academy. We have 5 of our world champion pitmasters that will show you how to cook 20 championship backyard recipes. They'll show you easy to follow step-by-step recipes for each master class.
You see, they got a beautiful golden color. They're not done, man.
Man, they're done.
That right there is by far the best rub I've ever put in my mouth.
All the barbecue was cooked on good old backyard grills, pellet cookers, and retail store smokers.
You can cook anything.
Wow.
We excel at beef ribs. Having ribs without meat. Whoa.
From trim to taste, they're going to make you the barbecue king of your cul-de-sac or next tailgating event. Go ahead, hit that buy button and get 75% off today. Our cooking videos will show you how to cook delicious grilled Peking duck with orange marmalade drizzle, fried ribs tossed in red sauce, Texas beef ribs, bacon wrapped meatloaf,
This is my mama's meatloaf on steroids.
bacon wrapped tenderloin stuffed with cream cheese, and bacon wrapped Moink balls. Hey, everything is better with bacon.
All that
Everybody
grease.
knows bacon makes it mo better.
Mo better.
How about our savory mango habanero gold star chicken wings for that next backyard party or tailgated event?
Oh,
Look
look
at
at
that.
Right off the bone.
I mean, as clean as it gets.
And check out these succulent French rack of lambs prepared by the 2-time lamb champion in Australia, Sterling Smith.
How good is that?
All the cooking classes are in-depth, simple to follow, and easy to cook. You will have access to all 20 championship backyard barbecue videos 24 hours a day.
If it's good, it's juicy. You can see that's just glistening. That right there is what this class is all about. And you got 20 recipes for $99. And I hope you cook this exactly the same.
Oh yeah. Folks, that is so tender.
This is a one-time purchase with no renewal membership required. What are you waiting for? Hit the button below and start cooking like a world champion today. Speaking of world champions, let me introduce you to the pitmasters that will guide you through each master class. Lee Hickle is one of the hottest pitmasters in the country. He was recently crowned the 2019 International Barbecue Cookers Association Cooker of the Year. Joey Smith is the 2019 Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo World Champion. Mark Lambert is a 6-time world champion, including 4 world champions at Memphis of May. Craig Sherry is a 2-time world champion at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. And Sterling Smith knocked it out with 2 world champions at the American Royal and the Jack Daniel, and a 2-time lamb champion in Australia. They will share with you all their techniques, preparation, and step-by-step cooking instructions from beginning to end. All of our videos are shot in 4K ultra high definition and can be watched anytime to master these backyard barbecue recipes. Are you ready to cook alongside these 5 world champion pitmasters? Then hit that button below and be the hero of your next backyard barbecue cookout. But wait, there's more. We have a bonus video that will show you how to set up and cook on all the backyard barbecue grills and smokers our pitmasters use while filming these backyard barbecue videos. They will show you how to manage your fire, how to set up different cooking zones.
Big plus to this is you can build a charcoal bed in here and you can do direct heat and you can do indirect heat.
Talk about how each grill cooks, cooking accessories, and types of woods to use, and much, much more.
Competition teams are kind of gravitating towards a pellet smoker due to ease of use, due to the flavor, the engineering that they're getting out of these with the smoke control. It's just a top-of-the-line unit.
Are you ready to cook the best barbecue ever?
We took a very basic, everyday ham
Get this out in the store.
and elevated it.
I'm telling you right now, there's nothing like beef ribs. This is brisket on a stick.
Let us take your backyard barbecue to a level you never thought possible.
Juice is pouring out of it.
This is great.
This is
great.
Let me get that off here. I'm telling you what, that's backyard barbecue right there.
What are you waiting for? Hit that button below and start cooking like a champion today.